Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on, how to turn off a 3-finger touch and hold gesture for partial screenshot in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to our phone's settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. And here we need to navigate to the screenshot option. And now we have our screenshot gestures. So at the top, as you can see, we have a short tutorial with explanations and pictures, moving pictures even. And here we have our 3-finger touch and hold option that we can enable or disable using this switch right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you, and goodbye.